So this is the Terrain-Tronics guide to crimping. Here we have a JST XH connector, and it's used to connect to pins on a board. Now what we have to do is we have to make these wires become crimped in these connectors. So let's take a couple of these connectors off and look at them in detail. These connectors have a part at the back that grip onto the plastic of the cable, a center part which crimps down onto the metal of the wire itself, and then this front part is all about holding inside the connector itself. There are a number of tools you can use. I like this one. This is an IWIS crimp tool, and it has a specific die here that is designed, and it's got a ratcheting system so it applies just the right amount of force. This is about $20 for one of these, but will last you a lifetime. And then for about $7 or $8 there's this crimping tool for jewelry making. Just spend the extra money, really, you'll thank me later. I'm going to tighten the back of the crimp just a little bit, just to straighten things up. Place this connector in far enough so that it holds the connector, and you'll see on the other side, if we flip it over, I'm going to rotate it so you can just see down here that there's a little tooth right here which stays outside of the die. I'm going to get my wire, my cable, and I've just chopped off just a little bit of the end. I'm going to insert that into the area here, and I want a little bit of the plastic to go in. I'm going to crimp down, closed it all the way I can, and then I'm going to let go. And what that has done is now crimped down these back areas onto the plastic of the wire, but also crimped the center section here onto the metal of the connector and left this undamaged. As a consequence, I can now insert this in, and you'll see it's so strong. I can insert this in and you'll see it's so strong I cannot pull it out. That wire is now in that housing and ready to be connected to a circuit board. If this is of some use to you, then comment, like and subscribe to this channel. This is just a little quick video, but hopefully these are skills that you'll use every time you're building an electronic project, especially with terrain. Every time I build a project, these crimps come in handy, these connectors come in handy, and there's a lifelong skill that you'll have in your pocket. If you are at that point where you want to upgrade the terrain that you offer your players in Dungeons and Dragons, Warhammer 40k, Age of Sigmar, or any of those tabletop war games, then please do check out www.Terrain-Tronics.com. We'd love to help you on your journey into really thrilling the players that come and play at your house. Thanks again.